Hey everyone, it's Ryan. I'm back again with another tutorial. This time we're gonna be featuring the Mehron x Gypsy Shrine collaboration palette. And let's get started, guys. First we're gonna primer skin and make sure you set your primer with your beauty sponge. Then we're gonna go straight to foundation. We're gonna apply the foundation with our beauty sponge also to get a seamless application. Now we're gonna grab our Mehron Concealer Palette and we're gonna start highlighting the high points of our face. And once we're finished applying our concealer with our brush, we're gonna grab our beauty sponge again and blend everything to perfection. Now it's time for my favorite part, it's contouring. We're gonna grab the cream contour palette first and we're gonna start sculpting the face. After you're finished applying your cream contour, make sure you grab your beauty sponge once again and start blending everything together. Time to bake, guys. Okay, so everywhere you apply concealer, you're gonna put a layer of powder. That way the concealer is not gonna crease and it's gonna be a little more highlighted. Now we're gonna set our cream contour with a powder contour palette by Mehron. And we're gonna start applying the powder everywhere you put the cream contour. Grab a big fluffy brush and start wiping away all the powder, and make sure that with the remaining powder on the brush, you're gonna apply it all over the face. That way you're gonna set everything and make everything last longer. Now guys, the fun part starts. We're gonna grab a big brush, then we're gonna choose the lightest shade of blue, and since we're creating like a tribal festival makeup look, we're gonna do like a mask around the eyes. So the lightest shade, make sure you blend it seamlessly. Then we're gonna go with the darker shade, and we're gonna apply it to the eyes, the lids, and everything to deepen everything. Since we are going for a more glamorous tribal festival makeup look, we're gonna start cutting the crease with the concealer first. Once you have the shape of the cut crease that you want, we're gonna set the concealer with the gold shimmer powder all over the lid. Then we're gonna grab the white shimmer powder on the inner corner. Now, to blend the cut crease with the outer part of the eye, make sure you grab the darker shade of blue and blend everything together, and you're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Time to highlight, guys. Make sure you highlight the high points of your cheeks, the cupid's bow, tip of the nose, and the whole nose. Go crazy with highlight. Once you're finished highlighting, we're gonna stick the beautiful jewel set by the Gypsy Shrine to our face. Then we're gonna start the magic with the beautiful body paint palette. Now, since this is like a Coachella music festival look, start drawing random lines around your cheeks. Start dotting your nose, your eyes, your forehead. For this, I use the white on the palette. Then I'm gonna go with the blues and the pinks to make everything a little more colorful. That way you're gonna make the jewels pop, your eyes pop, the highlight pop even more, and everything is gonna look so beautiful and amazing. And please don't forget the neck. Start drawing random lines using the colors you want. For this, I use pink, blues, whites. I added dots, lines, triangles. And now you are done with the tutorial. I hope you like the finished product. If you decide to recreate this, make sure you tag me on Instagram to ry_effects. And before you leave, make sure you hit the like button, comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.